Just wait, Harvey there.
Go guys, go.
Okay.
Go.
Let's just go in this order.
Maisie, come on.
Lacey can wait for Jade. Oh, right, he's done fast.
Why? Okay, where?
You're faster.
Here, thanks. Try and catch up. Trying to catch up to my brother Harvey. He's really fast. I have to be much faster now. This is really hard tracks. Look at the crazy cat lady. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Just keep going. We're coming down this track. Oh, a little bit tight. It is a hard part. This is where I got hit by my pedal last time I came here. See? That's what happened. I got too fast. So let's go. So here we go. Coming through. Oh shit. I'm making it up. Trying to catch up. I have to go faster. We're catching up now, I think. I have to go much faster. If I want to catch up. Oh. I made it through. Just make it up. Oh, geez. Hard part here. See, that's a really hard part. Shoot! Load. Fucking hell. Got hit. Keep running.
You good, Ryder?
Yep. Good. I just came back. It's good. I lost time now. So my brother's gonna smash me now. And I crashed. Shoot. This is a hard part. Steps. Hey?
Let's go.
I crashed.
Oh, really?
Yep. Did I go?
Is he okay?
What happened?
I crashed.
Oh, did you? I didn't know.
Oh, that's
I
what.
thought you were just waiting.
No, so
How?
I was going on a log. I went off the side, hit the log. It's like a big root.